Did you know that nearly 70% of people live paycheck to paycheck? It's not because they don't work hard, but because they unknowingly make these 5 financial mistakes. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll learn how to avoid them and set yourself on the path to financial freedom. Mistake 1. Ignoring a budget. First up, not having a budget. Many people think budgets are restrictive, but in reality, they give you control. Without a budget, it's like driving without a map. You'll end up lost. Start simple. Track your income and expenses for 1 month. Use free apps like Mint or Pocket Guard to make it easy. Mistake 2. Relying on credit cards too much. Next is overusing credit cards. Credit cards can be helpful, but high-interest debt can quickly spiral out of control. If you're paying just the minimum each month, you're giving money away. The fix? Pay off high-interest cards first, or look into balance transfer options with 0% interest rates. Mistake 3. Not having an emergency fund. Life happens: car repairs, medical bills, or unexpected job loss. Without an emergency fund, these can lead to financial disaster. Start small. Aim for $500, then gradually save 3 to 6 months of expenses. Automate your savings to make it effortless. Mistake 4. Spending on wants before needs. It's tempting to splurge on things you want, like the latest gadgets or fancy meals. But this mistake keeps you broke. Prioritize your needs: rent, utilities, groceries, before splurging. A simple rule: 50% needs, 30% wants, and 20% savings. Mistake 5. Not investing early. Finally, the biggest mistake is waiting too long to invest. Every year you delay, you lose the magic of compounding. Start with what you can. Even $50 a month can grow over time. Look into low-cost index funds or apps like Robinhood to begin today. Now that you know the 5 biggest financial mistakes, it's time to take action. Which mistake have you made before? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more life-changing financial tips. See you in the next video.